Good day, good people. This is Kenny from Kenny Ram Dashcam, of course. I'm sitting in a Chick-fil-A drive-thru and I decided, hey, let's do an analysis of the Chick-fil-A drive-thru. Now, this is a newly constructed Chick-fil-A drive-thru, and one major issue that I see is sometimes the order of the vehicles behind come up before the vehicles in front. Now, that's a whole different problem as far as process management and first in, first out. But one real flaw that I see in this is if, let's say, the car in front of me gets their order first, they got to still wait on the car in front of them to get out. So instead of using these two-lane drive-thrus, why not set it up so that there's a third lane in the middle so that when, let's say, the second car here gets an order, then the second car could then use the middle space to then go ahead and get out of line instead of having to wait on the car in front of them. Now, I know some people thinking, well, Chick-fil-A has some of the fastest drive-thrus, and believe it or not, ever since COVID, they've actually gotten slower in their drive-thru with the average wait time of 3 to 4 minutes. I placed this order probably about 3 to 4 minutes ago, and I've actually been sitting here for about 2 minutes, and this is not even at the window. This is, I'm third in line, as you can clearly see. There's a vehicle in front of this one here, but the point I'm trying to make is if they're really about trying to get people in and out of their drive-thrus in an efficient manner and having speedy service, the drive-thru needs a redesign, in my opinion. That being said, that will wrap this up video. If you have any comments or questions about the Kenny Ram Dashcam channel or the design of Chick-fil-A drive-thrus, feel free to leave those down in the comment section below. As always, please be sure to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video, as well as subscribing to the channel.